Hi all, welcome to another video of Algo Stock Market Insights. So today we are going to predict stock price of TCS using some machine learning algorithms. So this is our disclaimer. Like all the videos uploaded in this channel is just for educational and analysis purpose only, not as a recommendation or an advice. And this is the contents we are going to discuss today. So first we will discuss the fundamentals of TCS, and then we will see what is the stock price predicted by machine learning algorithm, and then we will do some technical analysis. So as you know, like TCS is the largest IT employer in India with a market cap of more than 1 lakh crore, and stock price PE also is good enough, and it has an all-time high of 3,999.90. And let's see the quarterly results. So we can see that quarterly results are keep on improving all the quarters, and the operating profit as well, and profit before and after tax, all figures are good looking numbers. And as we come to the balance sheet as well, we can see like all the assets are keep on growing for past so many quarters. So this is like a good large cap and a fundamentally strong company. And this is the data input we have taken to predict this TCS. Like we have taken data from 2014 onwards, like 7 years data we have taken till 2021 November 8th. So this is the data from 2014 till 2021 November 8th we have taken data. So we can see like for past 1.5-2 years TCS is in a clear uptrend. And this is what algorithm is predicted, like from next week onwards we are expecting some support around 2500, and after that we are expecting some rally, and by end of December we are expecting like TCS may touch around 4000. So since these dates are inclusive of NSE holidays and Saturdays and Sundays, this date will be like December mid or December end. So by December we are expecting like TCS may touch around 4000. So this is the data, like this is the data we have given as an input and for the training of the algorithm, and this is what algorithm is predicted and tested. So we can see that what is tested, predicted, and what is actual value of TCS is almost matching, and this is what algorithm predicted for the future. So we can see like from 3,990 there was a drop till 3,400, and then stock is reversed and started moving up. So we think like it is a good time to enter on or around 3,500 or 3,470, and then we can expect a rally till 4,000 by December, so which is around 15% profit. So this is the enlarged one. Like we can see there was a correction from 3,990 to this one, and then algorithm is predicted a rally till 4,000. And this is the technical analysis we do. Like we have taken the chart from Chartlink. This is the daily chart. So we can see like from past 2 years TCS is in a clear uptrend, and here we can see like it is keep on creating a new bottoms are higher, and there was a resistance was there, and as the resistance is crossed, TCS is moved from this level 3200 to 3990, and then there was a correction. So this particular high we are expecting it has a support point, and this particular trend line as well we are expecting as a support. So we are expecting TCS will come to this 3500 to 3476, and then after that we are expecting a rally to 4000 by December. And this is the FIA and DIA activity in NSE overall. So we can see like past last week, like October, and there was heavy selling was there around 25,000 crore sell was there by FIA and DAA, and after in November we can see things are improved, and FIA and DAA and started buying. So there was a buy, and this sell is much lesser than compared to the previous sell. So this is a good symbol. So we are expecting Nifty as well as TCS will move upward after this point. So hope you have enjoyed this video. So please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any comments, please write in QA, we can discuss. So go forward, we are planning to do more analysis with another stocks like Reliance, HDFC, SBI and etc. So if you have any recommendation, like you want to analyze some other stocks, please do put in comment, and please try to avoid small caps and penny stocks. So based on the number of recommendation, we will try to do some more videos in upcoming weeks. So thank you, have a great day, bye bye, take care.